Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm clearly going to show y'all how I got these $1 eyebrows. Yes, $1 sis. Let's get into it. And I don't have on my wig, so I mean, like I just didn't feel like putting on my wig. It's behind me. It's drying, so whatever. This is what I look like without my wig, without no makeup, and without my eyebrows. Yes, Lord, you know, still cute as fuck regardless. Pop my collar. Okay, so let's get into it. What you gonna need is a little spoolie thing, one of them little brushes, and this $1 Wet and Wild Simma Brown Now Eyebrow Pencil. Yes, everybody asks me, how do I do my eyebrows? What do I use? No, I don't use no $30 product, no $45 product. You can literally find this anywhere. You can find this at Dollar Tree. You can find this at Walmart. You can find this at Dollar General. Like, this is just always what I've used. Like, I used to use like the pomade and all the other stuff, and I just could never get my brows to look like how they look in this video. Maybe when I get a little bit more finesse, I don't know. My hand just don't like that stuff. I don't like that stuff. So I've been using this. I love how my eyebrows look, so we just gonna keep using this, like, period. So all I did was, I just filled in my brows, and I filled out the bottom, I filled out the top, and then I just kind of colored it in, and then I used like little brush strokes from the beginning because you don't want to look like Angry Birds, sis, okay? You don't want that. So now we're taking the spoolie and we're like brushing the opposite way for the beginning of the eyebrow because you want it to kind of like fade. Like this roommate that I had in college that I really did not fuck with at all, she was like, you want the tail of your eyebrow to always be darker. And I was like, oh shit, bitch. Like, you telling the truth. That's what we want. So you go in and you just kind of like brush it. And when you're at the beginning part, you're going to brush it like toward like the middle of your face so that it blends it out. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? If not, go back and rewind to the beginning of when I start to brush and you will see what I'm talking about. Now I'm brushing toward like my ear so that it all kind of blends. Yep, yep. So now we're going to take this other dollar brush that I got from Lord knows where and this Tarte concealer, sis. We're going to dip it on there, dab, dab, dab. And then we're just going to draw, well, not even draw, just clean up the bottom of the brows. For some reason, the brow that I'm doing right now, I don't know, like, it ends up being like okay for me, but sometimes like it'll just act up. Everybody has that one brow that act up. It's fine. You deal with it and you move on. But yeah. And also, I don't trust nobody to do my eyebrows. Like, I literally, at this point, like, I have went to get my eyebrows waxed. Like, I've been burned by the wax. Like, I went to like an actual like wax person. Just no. Just no. So I got my eyebrows done. It was all right the last time. So now, like, I literally just take a razor and I just clean my brows up because I literally will let my eyebrows grow out to where they look ridiculous, and then I go and get them waxed, and then somebody still has one of them like a square and the other one like a parentheses, and I just can't. If my brow's gonna be messed up, I want it to be because I messed them up. Like, I can't. So that's all I sat here and did, and now I'm gonna go in and just make sure that like my arch is where I want it to be. Like I said, this is like my problem eyebrow. I still love her though because, you feel me. So I'm just cleaning it up, making sure that it is like the arch that I want it to be. That one like is always like my eyebrow that's like up a little bit, like, what, bitch? So, So now I'm just gonna take that brush and I'm just gonna like blend down that concealer just like a little bit more because my eyes are like a little dark on my lids and stuff. So it's like, when I put my, my foundation like on top, it all just kind of blends together. You don't have to do that part. I just do that part. And sometimes when I do my brows, like, I don't want it to be super harsh at the top. So it's like I just go in with that pencil, just make sure that the line is there so it don't look like that my eyebrows start halfway down. Now I'm taking that same concealer and I'm just cleaning it up at the top. Some people use like a different, like a concealer that's more like the color of your skin for the top. I mean, you can do that. You can do whatever you want. Like, this is you feel me? These are your eyebrows. I just don't do that just because I end up blending it out, and like I spend a lot of time on my eyebrows and stuff, so it's like how I blend it out and then how I go and put my makeup on, it ends up looking really good. So I'm not even worried about it. That might be something else that I change to doing whenever, as I advance with my makeup game. You feel me? You feel me? So yeah, like honestly, doing my eyebrows is pretty simple. I like how my eyebrows look. I don't like watching Kick It Hill. I don't like the feathery eyebrows. Like I don't like it to look like I barely have eyebrows because I barely have eyebrows anyway. Like I like them to look a little dark and I like them to look crisp. Okay, crisp. So that's what I'm talking about. Like going in and making sure that that's blended out. Like I literally put that tip of that brush right at my eyebrow and then blend it up, and that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I fuck with it. Yes. I love it. Bye y'all. And you feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. Like I don't even know why y'all let this screen and y'all keep watching these videos and I know that y'all love them. So go ahead and click that little shit in the middle and subscribe because I am here for y'all. Okay? Like and subscribe. And we got updated makeup routine coming next.